Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to check who viewed your TikTok account. So, first, open the TikTok app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. And, it will take you to your profile page. You can see the eye icon at the top of your screen. Tap on the eye icon. And from here, you can see the users who viewed your profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to see the users who viewed your profile on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.